Welcome to my yet another YouTube video. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do glam makeup look. Also, I'll be doing a hair roller look, just the blowout look, perfect blowout look using hair rollers. So let's get started. For this hairstyle, you just need hair rollers and some bobby pins and also a straightener. So I'm just going to damp my hair so that they are nicely damp so that I can easily style them. You can use any type of bobby pin. I'm using straightener and these are my hair rollers. Make sure you are combing your hair really nicely. I'm doing two sections here of my hair, and these two bottom sections I'm going to comb and roll nicely. To roll them, I'm using a hair straightener first so that heat can make them style easily. This heat will help my hair to style easily. I'm using this hair and make sure that you're rolling these hair rollers really nicely and tightly. Secure them with a bobby pin so that they don't fall out. My hair are really short, so I'm using small hair rollers. These hair rollers come in different sizes, so you can use big ones for your longer hair. Now I'm going to do this section. Oh my god, I just burned my finger. Guys, this is a reminder for you to not burn your finger. Alright? Anyways, we will keep moving forward with the video. I'll show you guys how you can roll this section of your hair. Again, straightening my hair, not to straighten them but to apply heat on these hairs. You can also apply a serum or a hair fixing spray, but I'm just using water and heat to style them. And see, you can see how tightly I'm rolling all these hair, and also I'm rolling these hair in outward direction. So I am going to use outward direction in the back of my hair, but in this section, upper section, I'm going to roll my hair in inward direction. So you can see, roll your hair outward direction. This is the bottom section again. Now this section is going to be rolled in inward direction, applying heat on it, nice and straight. Now I'm going to roll this in inward direction. Rolling hair in inward direction is really easy compared to rolling them in outward direction. This is just my personal experience. And guys, make sure you don't get demotivated when your hair does not come out nicely in the first try. You need to try it. It will turn out good each time you are going to try it. So make sure you are trying it. If you are trying it for the first time, don't have high expectations, because when I tried it for the first time, it didn't turn out really nicely. But yeah, with practice and time, I know how to do it. So yeah, you will need a little bit of practice to know how this works. Now I'm going to do this section. My hair are pretty thin and short, so you guys need to do really small sections. I'm taking really big sections here, but you guys should take small sections. Now I'm rolling my bangs in outward direction and securing them with bobby pin. That's it. Now it's time for makeup. So now I'm using this primer from Swiss Beauty. In this time our hair will take shape. So let's do the makeup. I'm applying this primer because this primer is all in one. This works really well as a moisturizer, as it decreases the size of my pore and makes my makeup sit really nice on my face. So just Here I'm using this really nice and creamy concealer from Swiss Beauty. I'm going to apply this concealer all over where I think I have darkness under my eyes or redness or any pimple. And these are the main areas you should also apply to make them appear light and shiny. So this is how I apply my concealer, and just blend it really nicely so that it will turn out flawless. See, now I'm using this foundation from Maybelline. This foundation is really nice, so I use it a lot and I'm almost out of it. So I'm also using a brush, if you can notice, and not using a beauty blender right here, because I think the finish I get with this brush is really nice and perfect compared to the sponges. So yeah, applying foundation on my neck as well, blending it really nicely, and we are done. Now I'm doing my eyebrows with this spoolie, brush them really nice. Now it's time for me to apply blush, but for a change we are not using blush here, but we are using a lipstick. I really like this shade. This lipstick is from Studio West, and applying it on the cheekbones in upper direction so that it will uplift my look, and blending it using a blush brush. Blend it really nicely. I've applied it on my cheek, chin, nose and head as well. So now we are done. We are going to do eye makeup using this palette from Pop XO. I'm going to use this pink shade. This pink shade is really beautiful and it looks really nice as we are doing glam makeup look. So we are using this pink eyeshadow. I just use little bit on my eyelids. I don't like heavy eye makeup, so I'm going to use a little bit on both of my eyelids and make sure I blend them really nicely using this brush. Now I'm using this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. I really like the shade of this shimmer liquid. See how beautiful this shimmer is. It looks so pretty when you wear this during party, during festivals. It just gives that perfect shine to your makeup look. Applying it on my eyelid and on my inner corner of my eyes. It looks really beautiful. I always apply my eyeshadow in inner corners. Now I'm taking this highlighter from the same palette, applying it on my cheekbones and on my nose as well, so that it will give me a whole shiny and glam look. And see how beautiful shiny my look is already looking, my makeup look. So the next step is eyeliner. This is going to be a showstopper of today's look. I'm using liquid eyeliner from Lakme, and I just make sure this wing is aligned with my eyes. I just follow the shape of my eyes and it turns out perfect. You should also make sure that you're applying it just like how your eye shape is, and do a little wing so that it will turn out really nicely, making sure that both of my wings are equal. Yeah, make sure that if you are a beginner, you can also use those stamp eyeliners, but I really like the look of liquid eyeliners, so I only use liquid eyeliners for my everyday or makeup looks. And we are done with the liner. See how easy it was. Just don't put a lot of pressure. Apply the eyeliner with light hand. Now it's time to apply some mascara. So the mascara that I'm using here is from Pop XO, This mascara is really nice. I really like how it gives medium volume to your eyes. It's not a wow look, but yeah, still works for me. So you should also try this mascara. Now I'm going to set my makeup with a setting spray, especially my under eyes. And I'm also going to layer my blush with the powder brush because I have applied cream blush. So I'm going to layer my blush with the powder blush. Now I have this lipstick right here from Lakme 9 to 5. I really like the shade because it suits my skin tone. And if you also like this shade in nude, you should also get it. I will link all the products down below in the description. And we are done with the lipstick. The last step is to apply makeup fixer. This will put your whole look together. So I'm using this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty and we are done. I could not find the video where I was opening the rollers, but see how beautiful it turned out. The whole hairstyle, the whole makeup. This is a true glam look and you can walk any red carpet in this look. So that's it for today's video. Bye bye guys, see you next time. Comment down below what looks you want me to try again, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.